Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this quick video, I'll show you how to find your BTC wallet address on Bitget, whether you want to copy it or use the QR code. So let's get started. First, open the Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the Assets tab at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on Deposit button and go with Deposit Crypto. Now in the list, search or scroll to find BTC, that's Bitcoin, and tap on it. Bitget may ask you to choose a network. For Bitcoin, choose BTC, Bitcoin Network. Never select another network unless you are sure you're sending wallet support set. Once selected, your BTC wallet address and QR code will appear. Tap Copy to copy the address or tap the QR icon to scan it with another device or wallet. And that's it. That's how you find your BTC wallet address on Bitget. Always double check the coin and network before sending your funds. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and follow for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.